This is my VW Combi before. Got a bit of rust. If you look at the window screens, they're pretty not very nice, so those are all going to be redone. I'm going to have the color redone, so it's going to be a two-tone. And that's part of the interior, which isn't going to change much. And then we've got the interior, which is all this space here, which is all going to change. So that is before. And that's Bob. Hello, Bob. Because Bob bobs. Don't you, Bob? Yes, I do, a Bob. I'm Bob. That's why I bob. This opens up. You've got the roof. Well, not the roof, the whatever it's called. And then here's the engine. It's a nice piece of kit. And we'll be putting a battery, that's one battery, we'll be putting a battery in there, because that's where the electricity battery is going to go. So that's my vehicle. That's my baby. Of course, replace these bits and pieces, redo the wheels. Yeah. So this is my little project to be.